Hey guys, my name is Dayer and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how red onion can powerfully support hair growth. It can help with alopecia, hair breakage, scalp problems, dryness, as well as many other hair concerns. This natural remedy is packed with nutrients that help strengthen the hair, nourish the scalp, and this is the result of using ingredients that promote healthier, fuller hair over time. So without further ado, let's get right into this video.
1, 2, 3.
So my first ingredient will be an onion. I've already washed the onion and I'm now going to cut it into small pieces, putting it right into a bowl. Onion increases blood flow to the scalp and encourages the growth of healthy, strong hair. It provides oxygen, vitamins, minerals, and amino acids. However, onions have a strong smell, which can be a drawback. It takes some care to apply onion to your hair without the smell lingering. This is how the onions look like after cutting it. I will now use my blender and add the onion as well as half a cup of water, then blend it up. This is what it looks like after blending. I will now strain this mixture with a pantyhose to remove the extra particles. This is the leftover particles, and here is the powerful onion juice. After mixing, I will set it aside and move on to the next ingredient. My second ingredient is aloe vera. I've already soaked it for 20 to 30 minutes to remove the yellow sap, also known as aloin or aloe latex. This substance can irritate the skin and has a bitter taste. Soaking it helps remove this toxin. As I extract the gel, keep in mind that aloe vera helps to hydrate your hair and your scalp. After extracting the gel, use your hands to crush it. Then you will use a strainer to extract the liquid. This is how it looks like after straining. I will now take the onion juice and add in the aloe vera juice, then mix them all together. Now let's mix it up. I will now grab a spray bottle to transfer the mixture. This is how the treatment looks like in the bottle. I will now grab some essential oils, starting off with peppermint oil. Now I'll add in some jojoba oil. I will go ahead and put on the cap and shake up the bottle. And that's it. My mom is going to show you exactly how she applies the treatment. Always remember to massage your scalp and apply the treatment to clean hair. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to share with your family and friends. Please let me know if you tried this hydrating gel out and how your experience was in the comments down below, and make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye!